The CDC has released its report on how the Smithfield meatpacking plant in Sioux Falls can limit spread of the coronavirus. The plant remains closed after becoming one of the country's largest clusters of COVID-19 cases. The 15-page memo outlines observations from a CDC inspection. It includes things Smithfield was already doing, like screening employee temperatures when they got to work and adding plexiglass barriers between employees. The report also says informational flyers often weren't at eye level. Some employees weren't wearing provided masks correctly, and tables in cafeteria areas were not 6 feet apart. Governor Kristi Noem wouldn't say if Smithfield was doing enough to prevent the outbreak.
From looking through the report, it certainly looks like there's some recommendations that could be done, but they've been working well with us, with the CDC, with the Department of Ag, and even the Vice President's been involved to make sure that we're able to put in some of those recommendations and get it up and running as soon as possible.
The report includes 10 pages of additional recommendations. Many focus on social distancing. The CDC wants to add signs at 6-foot intervals as visual cues. Hygiene is another focus. The CDC recommends offering hand sanitizer along the production lines every 30 minutes. Smithfield had discussed that, but hadn't done it. The plant's employee locker rooms also come under scrutiny in the report. It recommends shifting break times to limit the number of people in locker rooms and finding other spaces for lockers. The federal report also says Smithfield should adjust any incentive pay programs so employees are not penalized for taking COVID-19 related sick leave. Smithfield had offered a $500 bonus to workers who didn't miss a shift in April. Smithfield says workers with COVID-19 absences will still be eligible for the so-called responsibility bonus. For South Dakota Public Broadcasting, I'm Jackie Hendry.